Hey Panthers! Hopefully you've enjoyed Math with Mr. Nate for a couple days. Back with me. Today, Thursday, reminder, technically no school tomorrow, Friday the 24th. So this will be our last lesson until next Monday. Want to go through a couple things today. This might look confusing, but it's not going to be by the time you get done with your practice on IXL. We did this a couple weeks ago, but I wanted you to see this and get us thinking about that times 10, that all these are related to 10. Multiply by 10, divide by 10, fraction of 10. All right. So converting metric units. We don't use metric units mostly in America. We use, anybody know? The rest of the world uses this, and we use our Fahrenheit and Celsius for temperature, and we use pounds and feet. So we're a little different, but we still use these for a lot of things. So keep in mind, meters measure length, grams measure weight, and liters measure volume. Volume, think about intro with Mr. Nate, I believe yesterday, and come back to it. But volume, how much is fitting into that container, which liquid will fit in there. So we know that kilo is the biggest, mill is the smallest, at least for what we're using this. And in the middle is unit. And that just means meter, gram, or liter. Anything there, that's our unit. So if I have a kilometer, it is 1,000 times bigger than my unit, which was meters. So 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Right here, a hectogram is 100, my unit. So 1 hectogram equals 100 grams. So here, deca, hecto, kilo. Those are bigger units of measurement. Milli, centi, deci, smaller. Sorry, the echo needed to chime in there. These are smaller. So if we're coming this way, if I have 1 meter, I'm going to have, is that number going to be bigger here? Yeah, think about it. 1 meter is 1,000 millimeters, or 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So we're going to go this way. Our units get smaller, but we're going to have a lot more of them, right? So this is going to help us organize how we would do our measuring. So if we think about centimeters and millimeters on your ruler, the one side has inches, the other side is centimeters and millimeters. Well, 100 centimeters equals a meter, and 1,000 millimeters equals a meter. So if I was going to measure my phone, how would I want to measure this? With what unit of measurement? Well, would I use a meter that's over 3 feet to measure this? Probably not. Centimeter? Maybe, making more sense. So probably a centimeter or a millimeter. But then I'll be able to take it from a millimeter and do the math to get it back to meter, or take it all the way up to kilometer. So I know this chart probably a little confusing. I want you guys to practice, and I want you to let me know how you feel about it. Send me a note on the video. Send me a quick email. Did this start to make sense when you were converting these in the practice? Up 10, 100,000, 1/10, 1/100th, 1/1000. Bigger, smaller. All right, I'm going to leave you there. I'm going to put the link. Follow it to IXL. Have a great weekend. Enjoy that day of not having to do school tomorrow. See you soon.